It's here! This is the FINOW Q1 Pro Android 6 smartwatch with a pull-down menu that lets you access all of these goodies, including SOS, cleaning out all of your open apps, and more. You have access to an app drawer where you can use SIM technology for making calls and sending text messages or doing data at up to 4G capability, depending on the country you live in and the frequencies supported. You have a front-facing camera that you can take pictures, videos, or do chats and other types of video calls. Settings, file manager, a new implementation of Bluetooth, gotta check this one out, that lets you tether to your phone in unique ways, but not yet able to do Bluetooth calling. It's coming though. Step counter, heart rate, and blood pressure available on this watch. Music, Google Chrome, the Google Play Store, WhatsApp, a browser, downloads, a voice recorder, your calendar stopwatch, your standard Google Voice search, and any apps you install will show up in here. It's the FINOW Q1 Pro, available right now. Check it out.